Today, I'm going to show you how to blend images in Canva. First thing you want to do is add an image to the canvas. I'll choose this one here. Adjust the image to your liking by pulling the corners to fit the canvas. Now press on the app's option down here and press on Image Blender. Choose either the linear or radial option. I'll choose the linear option for this first image. And I'll adjust this blending point all the way down since is my first image on the canvas. That way we are able to still see most of the image with a starting blending effect. Once again, for this first image, I like to leave the strength of the blend to 50. Now I'll press on Save. Now let's grab another image. I'll use this space image here. Again, I'll pull on the corners of the image to adjust it to the canvas. Now I'll press on the image blender icon again and choose the linear option again for this second image. For this second image, I'll leave the image points how they are, but I will lower the strength of this image so that the first image keeps most of the view. Once you are done, press on Save. As you can see, our images are starting to blend nicely. Now, I'll adjust and tweak the images around the canvas to give it a better look. Okay, that looks really good. Now I'll add another image to the canvas with no background. I'll add this little guy here, and again, press on Image Blender. For this little guy, I'll use the radial option and adjust the blending points, and I'll lower the strength blend to 22 and press on Save. Okay. Let me adjust his size a little bit, just like that, and nice, that looks good. Now let's download this image to see how it looks by pressing on Share and pressing on Download. Choose the PNG file type option and press on Download. And that's it, guys. That's how to blend images in Canva. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.